reduce the size of it. We'll reduce the size of it before. So let's click on. So we use 10. But you can see that we used this one, so it's too far. So press on to make it be in AS. That's what I was trying to achieve. So what you do is you double click on it, then you will see the text here. So now you can bring it back to its normal position. Then you stretch the side so that it will cover almost half the center of it. Okay, sure. So that's it. So you drag this one to the down. Sure, that's cool. Then click on the location. Then you click on the move. So when you click on it, it will deactivate. Or you use the tick arrow here. It's the same thing. So just bring it here. Beat here. So you click on it. Select the background so that it will center line there. So click on center. Okay, so you can see that it has gone back to me. So you push this one to the top. You can use the arrow keys or you can use the mouse. Okay, so it's too much. Then you bring it down. So I think this one is okay. Okay, then we'll draw another this one rectangle at the down so that we can put the structure in it. So let's just draw a small rectangle. Okay. Then we'll use the same color. So one thing our flyer design is you don't use multiple colors or too much colors on your flyer unless you want to design for a kid. A lot of people tend to be annoyed when you use a lot of colors for them. So basically you just keep the colors simple so that your web will not be full of colors and a lot of people will be talking about your flyer because you are building a brand for yourself. So I don't think you want people to say that you are not doing it right now. People will be complaining because mouth to mouth, this one is very powerful. When somebody recommends you to another person, I think that's the biggest thing ever. That's what we call the mouth to mouth recommendation. So basically that. So we come back and we said it's 1 Corinthians 10:13. So we just copy. So I think let's copy. So copy. We go back to the design. Then press on text. So you click on the any part of the design. When you select, you highlight the rectangle and you click on it before doing that, it will occupy the rectangle. So it's better you click on another side, then you paste it. Yep, so that's it. I think let's increase the size to somewhere 12. Somewhere 12. Okay. So we click on okay, so that's it. So you select this one and press Ctrl. And okay, you can select from here. So you click on the text and click on it. So you click on it. Okay. So I'm focused more on the alignment because alignments they make your work look very nice. You don't want your design to be clustered all around where you see your work one shifting to the other side, one thing. No. That doesn't make a good flyer. So now I think we are done with whatever entails with the flyer. So now what we'll just put there is the church logo and the handles. So with the church logo, I don't think I'll put it in the Google because it's more of let's say confidential. So I can't include it in the final design. So I want to open. I have previous designs where I worked on, so I just want to copy the logos and just copy the handle so that it will be easy and the video will not be too long, because long videos tend to be boring. Okay, so I'll open the Q&A so that we'll copy most of the logo and the handles. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, so it has loaded. So you just have to just drag this one. So you just drag it and let's wait for it. I think it's more of now loading. Yes, it's now loading. Okay, so I think it's there. So you just bring it on it. Okay, so you can see that this particular logo color in, in the background, they are similar. So what you do is you maintain that logo. So let me put it like this. Some people, they don't like you changing the color of the logo because they believe that that's their company color. So any design that you do, you have to find a way to differentiate that logo, or to differentiate the logo from the design, no matter how the background is. If the you have a background that can pop out the red, that's good for you, you are free to go. But if you have a background that cannot pop out the red, you have to find a way of representing it. So for now, what I'll do is I'll change the logo color. But when I was doing the original, I have to maintain the same color. So but you can see that from this flyer, you can see that I've maintained the same flyer. I've maintained the same logo, but I changed the background a bit so that it will pop out. So let's move on. So I just want to copy the handles once again. I think we are down the flyer. It's just some final patches that will add to it. So you click on Control, then drag it to what you're doing. So what we'll do is Control G. Then we come down the background and more on the alignments. Yes, alignment. Then what you do is it's too far from, so you just click on it's too far from the picture, so you just click on. And you can press shift, say press the arrow key so that it will move very fast. Or you can use the mouse to drag it. But I just want to maintain the, let me say, I want to maintain the alignment, so I just have to. So what you do now, let's change this particular things to white so that it will pop out. So let's wait for it to go. Okay, so change from black to white. I think that with the white, I just have to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we'll do is I'll copy it so that when you reach that side, just go and paste so that just be very fast with this. No. So you did this one. So I'll click on this one. Okay, so you click on color overlay. You can go to color overlay, and the color overlay is somewhere here. But because they have done this one, so the color overlay is at the top. So I just have to double click on it. Change this already. The machine now was lower than the top. Okay, so you click on this, and you just do Control V. I've copied it already. So okay, so you can see that it's changed. So you click on this. Oops. I think okay, so you click on the rectangle. So you have selected it, so you click on this one. click on this. So the white is there, so you just select and you move on. So we wait for all this one, the number. I think we are just clicking on that, so let's select them from. So they are 4. So this is how we do the color overlay. So color overlay, I'm showing the long method. So color overlay, then wait for this, wait for it to open. Okay, so we click on the black, then click on Control V, paste it there. Okay, then the layer 3, so click on this one. That's the Twitter. You can even go here and name it so that you will not be confused. But let's do this one before I teach you how to name it. Let's wait for it. Process it up, become very slow. Okay, so you click on this one, then you paste. So okay. So now we have done all this one. Okay, so now we come to the flyer. So what you do now, you can change this flyer by, you see, is smart object. So with smart object, when you see this thing here is a smart object, so you can double click on it. So you wait for it to open another windows. So now you can see you are now in this window. So what you do is you can come to properties. Let's wait for it. Okay, let's go to FX and go to color overlay. Let's wait for it to open. You could see that it changed to white, so you click on OK. Then you press Ctrl S or you save it on the top. So you save it. Okay. You save it basically. So let's wait for it to save. Okay. So you are saved. So you can close this one. So you could see that now it has changed on the flyer. So I think this is all for now. I think we have designed. So if I'll just add some extra touches or some details, either by changing maybe the off or and we forgot one thing. That's the first thing you should have done when you are designing a flyer. Because of power outages and other problems, you should save it first. So you can do save as or save by either Control S. You can use this method. So let me teach you how to save a flyer when you are done, and how to save it in PSD form, and how to save it in a PNG form. So the reason why I'm saying in PNG form, you can save it as JPEG, but mostly when it's WhatsApp reduces the quality of images. So it's better you save it with JPEG, because with JPEG it doesn't reduce the quality that much. It maintains the same quality. So save on your computer. What's happening? Let's wait for it. Okay, so I'll save it on my desktop and I'll name it November Flyer. So I'll press save. So let's wait for it. So you go to OK. This is the first thing you should have done, but because sometimes you can be using plug and play, so the best thing to do is you save it from the beginning so that it will help you. But it has escaped me, so I'm saving it at the last end. So So then you come to files. You come to file, sorry. Then you go to export. You can do it as quick export as PNG. That's one fast way to save it. So we wait for it to come because of the machine. So I think it's wasting time. So let's wait for it. Okay, so it has come. So November flyer. You can save it as the same name. This one is PNG, that one is PNG, so you just click on save. So I think let's go back to the home screen. You could see. So you could, if I refresh, you could see that there's something coming. So let's wait for it. Because all the machine is slow, that's why you haven't seen it appear yet. So let's click on refresh. Oh, it hasn't appeared. Okay. So let's reset it. I think it's because of the machine, that's why it's not coming. Or we've not saved it. But let's check. So let's go to files again. Export, quick export as PNG. So November flyer, we save. Okay, it looks like we didn't save the first one. But let's see. I think now it's there. Okay, now it has come, guys. So now there's a November flyer. Then let's just refresh. Then we'll see it come. Okay, so it's here now. So basically, that's how I designed a simple flyer like this. So I don't know, but let's see. I'll record more videos, maybe weekly. I'll record like 2 or 3. So guys, if you have any flyer in mind that you want us to record, I'm available. You can drop any suggestion in the comment section so that I will help us design something like that. Until then, see you guys. Stay safe.